Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
After creating the company file and reviewing the chart of accounts, you should add any vendors to your vendor list. You only need to add beginning balances for vendors to whom you owed money as of the start date of your QuickBooks company file. You can add more vendors to your vendor list as needed. However, if managing trust accounts, you should also add your own law firm to the vendor list. This is due to the fact that your law firm may occasionally be paid from the client's trust account instead of receiving payment from the client directly. In this case, you need to enter the bill to the client's trust account and list your firm as the vendor within the bill. To review the process of entering a vendor record, please review the lesson titled The Vendors List in Chapter 3 of this tutorial. Unlike most vendor records you create within QuickBooks, when you enter your own law firm as a vendor, you will typically set the default account used to an income account. That way, when the bill is paid from the client's trust account, it will accurately show up as income earned for the firm versus being shown as an expense for the firm.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.